Managing a project and contributing it via various users is a difficult task. So today we are going to how to use version control system in our Android Studio project. So let's get started. So hello and welcome all. I am Akshay from Coding Venture, and today we are going to see how to upload our Android Studio project on the GitHub with the help of version control system Git. Okay, so go on your browser and you need a tool called Git. So go on this website git-scm.com, that is a source control manager, and download this tool for whatever operating system you are using. Okay, I have already downloaded and installed Git in my computer system. So if you want to know how to install it, you can watch the video I have created previously, and you can watch this video by clicking on the I button or in the description. Okay, so let's get started. So for integrating Git and Git to our Android Studio, let's go into the File tab. Open your project and go into your File tab, then go in Settings, or you can by clicking Ctrl Alt Shift and S, you can open the setting. Here open the version control tab, and in version control tab you can see there is an option called Git. Okay, so here you can see Android Studio automatically detect the Git in your computer system. So you can test it. Click on the test button. You can see Git version 2.35.1 is installed on your system. Okay, so set this path only for current project. So if you check this checkbox, then this will be for only this project. So don't check this box, and everything is fine, and click on the OK button. Okay, we are going to see how we can use this how we can use this tool with general view, such that we can use it in all other projects also. That projects may be your web application or some other application. Okay, so I am going to open the terminal. In the Android Studio, it's default terminal, or what you can do, you can go into your projects folder. So this is our wealth calculators project we are building in last several videos. So I am just going to open this project. Okay, and what I can do, I can open git bash here. So you can search git bash from your search tool, or you can open it from the context menu as I have opened. You can see here it is open in the wealth calculator application. So I am going to increase the font size so you can see little bit clearly. First of all, what we have to do, go into your GitHub account. For this, this is a website called github.com. So it provides you some amount of repository you can host online. So go and create the account on github.com, and after you log in into your github.com, we can create a new repository. Okay, so here you can see on the plus icon on the side, click on the new repository button. Once you click on the new repository button, you need to specify the name of your application. So I am going to specify Android S.I.P calculator app. Okay, so this is name of my project. Okay, so then you can give the description here if you want. This is an application that calculate your wealth as you invest in systematic planning and so on. Okay, so in this way you can create the description whatever you want on your Android Studio project, or whatever project you are maybe hosting. So the third thing is that you need to select the repository, public or private. Initially GitHub were used to provide only public repository on the free version of their service, but now it provides some private repositories too. I am going to create this as a public repository so that you can contribute to this code also. So after that, do we need a readme file? Okay, yes, we need a readme file. Just click on this button. Okay, and you can read other things, but I am not going to read it right now. And I just going to click on this green button, create repository. So now you can see our repository is created here. How we can update our project source code here? So for that, first of all, we need to, in our project, we need to initialize Git. So you can fire a command git init, press enter. So you can see here a git folder is created, and git ignore file is already there. So we have initiated our git repository. The second thing we need to do is we need to commit, we need to add all this file. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can fire a command git add dot is for it will add all the file and folders except the folders and files mentioned in the git ignore. We have added successfully. First of all, clear the console. Right now what we want to do, we want to commit our project. Okay, so for that, git commit, and we need to specify a message. For that, -m space, and the message is this is wealth calculator. Okay, and just I'm going to press enter. So you can see the commit has done automatically. So what we need to do is we need to set origin. So we need to add a remote to our git repository. So for that, you need a command git remote git remote add, and for this we need the link of our repository project. Here, this is the link, the remote. So we need to add, paste this link. Okay, just click on the enter button. So our origin is added, our remote is added to repository. So for pushing our project to our GitHub, we need to fire a command, that is git push -u for user. We need to push it to origin, and we need to push the master. You can see this is the master branch. Okay, as soon as I click on this button, okay, here you can see I am going to increase the font size. You can see the git push origin remote persistence to Akshay Rathod IT S.I.P calculator is denied. This is the error we need to solve, and it is occurring because Windows by default restricts some access. Okay, so this error occurs due to your Windows credential manager stop to access the GitHub. So for that, what we have to do, search for credentials manager and open your Windows credentials manager, and go in Windows credential, and if you have previous logins with GitHub, then you just click there and click on the remove button. So your previous Windows credential will be removed. Now let's try to fire the command, that is git push _u space origin space master again. So you can see here the sign in with GitHub is pop up on your Windows browser. So I need to click on the sign in with browser. It will redirect you to say that your Git needs access to your GitHub account. Okay, for that we need to just authenticate. Click on the authenticate, and you can see here authentication success. So go in your terminal, and here you can see git push branch is set up to track. Okay, so now go to our repository, and you can see here master head reset push has been set up a minute ago. So I just need to click on the refresh button and go from main to master, and you can see your whole Android project code is installed in is uploaded to your GitHub repository. And so in this way we can upload our project, whatever project we have. It doesn't matter it is Android or any project, we can upload the project to GitHub. And again I want to show you how you can access this GitHub code this Android Studio project code onto your system. So I have created a public repository so you can clone this project. Okay, so for that what you need to do, just need to go on the link I provide in description for the source code, click on the GitHub's repository link, and you need to create a folder. So I am just going to create a folder called S.I.P. Okay, and here I have created this folder, and let's open our project here. So in the folder I am going to open the git bash. So open git bash here. The git bash is open. Let's fire a command git clone, and you need to just paste the link that we have from there, and so you can see you have copied the Android S.I.P calculator app. Or another way what you can do is, you can see the all commits I have made here. Another way what you can do is go into, and you can download a zip from here, and here the zip file or the archived file is downloaded. So I am just going to show you, and here you can see app and all the source code is available. So in this way you can download the source code from the GitHub, and we have seen how to upload our project to GitHub. Okay, so this is all for the today's video. We will meet in the next video, and we are going to start our Kotlin's fundamental series, such that we can build awesome and cool application in Android. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it, and till then, happy coding.